Hello and welcome back. So doing another page one because I had some more drawings to show, and I've been out, so I'll do this again. So I think I showed, so just a recap, I think I showed these, well I did show these yesterday. So just the start of some weapon designs for Axel, the female mechanic Overwatch type character. So I did I've done a drawing here yesterday that was just the basic shape, and I've put some design into it. So let's just like go from the top. So the head isn't done. I haven't really done anything with the head because the hairstyle is going to be important, and I need to draw and learn how to draw hair better anyway. So move down, had a bit of a go at a shoulder pad, and we've got a mechanical sort of almost whole arm. This hand will probably be mechanical as well, and sort of like a singlet, shirt on, pants and belts with straps for like holding things. We might put some like pockets that are coming off this as well. And if we go down, we've got I do two types of boots. We've got like a plain kind of like military looking boot on this side, and then a more sort of like probably more fitting mechanical like lace up kind of hiker boot here. And then just along the side, maybe the length of the weapon compared to the character. So an indication of size. And just a note here that it'll split apart in the middle. So she fights with maybe both as an ulcer or something like that. So I put a note here that at some point we need to add the number plate into the design, and the first idea is maybe having like this shoulder sling necklace thing. It's kind of a bit impractical, but it's a start. Maybe we can just have it wrapped around the arm though. That'll be cool. Not really intending for this to be mechanical, more just like armor, if that makes sense. And it kind of just like slips on the arm, and then just like folded around as two pieces, kind of junker style. I think with the pants too, they'd probably be ripped at the bottom, so just to give them a bit more of like a Junkrat feel, because his shorts are ripped. And possibly the shirt as well at the bottom, just at the bottom, but we'll see. And then this isn't gonna go too well, but I was like playing around with some hairstyles, and it's obviously an area that I need improvement on. I actually quite like this one. I put a bit more effort into drawing that, but I just wanted to nail down some like basic hairstyles. I probably didn't need to worry about facial structure for that too much, but we can see like really high hair and really like flowy hair, and like the obvious like mohawk, shaved head, and just crazy hair. So yeah, look, so I'm liking the design already. There's a lot to do though to get this right. So we'll keep drawing on that while the Nago gets finished this weekend, and then we'll move on to this. Yeah, look, I think I'll leave it there because it is getting late. So hopefully you've had a good Thursday, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.